Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Beat Key, and today I'm going to introduce you to a very practical product, the hydraulic ram pump, and show you how to unbox and assemble it. These are two waste valves, packaged in sturdy boxes. And inside this box are installation accessories and complementary fittings for the inlet and outlet pipes. Inside this box is a pressure tank. This box contains two bodies made of stainless steel, ball valves, a core check valve, and the check valve has different ports on top that can be used to connect a pressure gauge and a safety valve. The PTFE gasket is right here. Be careful not to lose. And this is a PVC ball valve used to connect to the outlet of the hydraulic ram pump. Small white box. There is a pressure gauge and a safety valve. Now, let's take a look at how to assemble this hydraulic ram pump set. First, take out the two stainless steel T-pump bodies. Connect them together with the core check valve. Here, use a union fitting with a gasket, so there's no need to use Teflon tape. Next, take out the pressure gauge. On the back of the pressure gauge, there is a threaded connector. Wrap Teflon tape around the connector and attach it to one side of the core check valve. And the safety valve is also treated the same way as the pressure gauge. Wrap Teflon tape around its threaded connector, and attach it to the other port of the core check valve, then tighten it securely. Next, wrap Teflon tape around the threaded connector of the waste valve, and attach it to the T-pump body. Repeat the same process for the other waste valve. Now, wrap Teflon tape around the stainless steel threaded connector of the pressure tank. Attach it to the top of the check valve, and tighten it securely. Apply Teflon tape to the output end of the check valve, and tighten the PVC outlet ball valve onto it, and apply Teflon tape to the threaded connector on the inlet side, and connect the stainless steel inlet ball valve onto it. Finally, use a pipe wrench to tighten all the connection parts securely. Adjust the direction as needed. Now, our 1-inch stainless steel hydraulic ram pump is fully assembled and ready for installation and use. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in hydraulic ram pumps, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content.
Okay.